in this class we are going to discuss about models of, or what are the different models available in operation research. So below are the some of the important models. I am going to say important models in OR. That is below. Below are important models. So first one I will take distribution model, that is allocation models. Allocation model. So here what happens? What is this model tells about? So this model tells about distribution, that is allotment of available resources. It deals with allotment of available resources. So what do you mean by allotment of available resources? So why we need to allocate or distribute our resources? The reason for allotment of available resource is to minimize the cost, that is minimize the cost and maximize the profit. Fine. The reason why we need to allocate our resources is to minimize the cost and maximize the profit. I will tell you one example. So what happens? That's what happens if you start our manufacturing company in hill stations and taking those materials, manufactured materials, and coming it to the market. It takes too much of time and too much of resources we need to allocate. So that try to allocate your company or your business plan within the area where you can get maximum resources, so that you get maximum profit. I mean to say here why the Pune is the hub for automobile companies, because the availability of resources in Pune with cheaper rate is very good. The same thing is not going to happen in Hubli, Dharwad or Belgaum, because compared to the Pune, we need more number of resources or more number of raw materials, or we need to put more number of costs, that is more money in the area like Hubli, Dharwad or Belgaum. Whereas for Pune, the skilled laborers are available, land is available, and the vendors are also there. More number of vendors come to Pune rather than to other cities, so that we can get maximum profit. The things comes here. Distribution model is that allocation. Fine. What allocation? Allotment of available resources. So what are our available resources? Let us understand what are our available resources and how we need to allocate this one. The second comes production or inventory model. Production or inventory model. So these models are concerned with the determination of optimal order quantity and ordering intervals, considering the factors such as demand per unit, time, cost of planning. So in terms of it deals with economic and production, and how much quantity I supposed to manufacture, what should be the per unit price, and what is the cost of planning, etc. These things are dealt in these models, that is production and inventory model. Whereas the third one is waiting line. waiting line, that is queuing model. So how much average time is spent by a customer in the queue? How much average time? How much AVG time spent by customer in queue? How much time the customer is spending to buy a product in a queue? So why can't we increase, for example, in billing section of Big Bazaar? I have seen in Hubli, there is a huge queue in billing section. Fine, still there are 10 billing counter, but still people stand in queues. Why can't we increase our billing counter from 10 to 20 or 20 to 25 or from 30? So what happens? More number of billing counters, more people will won't supposed to wait in the queue. Means what? The sales automatically increases. So these are what? Waiting line or queuing model. So what would be the average length of waiting line? Waiting line length. What happens? On particular Sunday only the length increases, whereas in other weekdays the length does not increases. Fine. So there are 10 billing counters in weekdays. There is no queue in the billing counter, but on specifically Sundays and holidays there will be long queue in billing desk. So in this model, what they do, whenever there is a weekdays or holidays, then we can increase our billing quota from 10 to 20 on a specific day. But whenever there are normal weekdays or working days, remove those billing desks. So like that. Then the next thing is that what will be the traffic intensity? Traffic. Fine. The traffic intensity in weekdays, working days, holidays. So what is the traffic intensities?